Soft. It's soft. Yes, it's soft. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we're not at Walmart anymore. This is the mall, not Chili's. We just went to Wendy's and I said my name was Bob, and they called out my order as Bob.
She literally, like, they literally asked her what her name was, and she said, Bob.
Yeah, and the kid didn't look very impressed. This store. I'm sorry, what? Like, I help. Okay,
Everything either doesn't fit or it's too expensive.
Welcome to Shopping is Fun. Mall shopping. If we do end up going to the thrift store later, it's gonna be a lot better.
That's where I am.
Yeah, because you're a man.
I'm.
Ooh, what?
Forever 21. We're 21, but not actually.
And where clothes have words that don't make sense. Look at this. This is a craft. I made this at home. Is this a skirt? Okay. That's so short. That's like crotch length. No. So for some reason, in a lot of these clips, the sound is glitching out. You might hear it. It sounds very weird. No, that's not me stuttering. I don't know why my phone was doing that. Have you found anything?
No.
Yeah. Ooh, what is that? Is that like a Minecraft horse? I could see myself wearing that.
What's this cover? Boys are turned on by that.
Yes, my shoulders. I gotta cover those things. Why do I oddly like it? Because it's sparkly.
It's the flippy sparkles.
What is it? Is it like a dress? But it's
barely flippies, and I'm upset.
Oh, well that's...
I'm upset.
Yeah. What size is it? Oh. I was gonna try it on, but it's just gonna fall off.
It's way more than I do.
What in the world? Yeah. I think that would look awesome. What?
They killed Elmo.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not wearing this to dance. Yeah. What is this? What? Okay, but why? Those are cities, but okay. Or island. I don't know, but I don't know why it's on a shirt. This is awful. Someone save me. Pick that up.
I'm your mother.
You're right, though. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce to you my mother. I'm 2 years older than her. I'm her daughter. It just makes sense, right? Wait a second. Wait a second. How do we wear this one? That doesn't even fit. Adventures. So we're in H&M now, and I need to show you something. This is a positive message. Okay, make a commercial, go.
Hi, and welcome to the sponsors of Fluffy Boob. Would you like a fluffy boob? Who in their right mind would not love a fluffy boob?
And I'm leaving. This is almost as overwhelming as Forever 21.
Hold on, I'll get you out of there. I'll get you out of there. It's okay. Where are you? Hello?
Wait.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. I feel like that's not possible. But I guess it is, because I just saw it happen.
And now we see a wild loofah in its natural habitat, defending itself with purses.
I'm having such a great day at the zoo. Escalator. I'm going up. 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 It's my idol.
Hey, look,
It's my idol.
I love you.
Oh my gosh, this bow will look so great on me. Why are you taking it away? I love JoJo.
Grow up.
And then we got kicked out of the store. No, I'm kidding. That didn't actually happen. Another store? Another failure! Like, I can't believe we didn't even find anything, at least at Walmart.
Okay,
What?
it's time to go be emos. Where...
Hot Topic's that way. I'm not emo, but like...
Oh, yeah.
I know! What are you doing? Are you flying?
Down you go, down, 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 down.
Yes. Hi, I look crusty. We're in the sale section of Macy's, so, but we're probably not gonna buy anything.
Why are the pajamas the best?
I know, like I want all them. Oh my gosh.
I would wear the pajamas out in public, but I think that's not a good sign.
Hello. I am garbage. Garbage. I'm garbage. I'm garbage. I'm garbage. I know, it's so quiet. Oh wait, are you talking about the music in your head? Just what I need.
This is not chef's kiss.
It's me. It's a Stephanie. For $6. Mom, you never bought me one. I'm gonna cry. We're broke. Good point. And that's why we're going thrift shopping now.
What the heck is this?
That is so fun. I love it. They got stuffs. Jalen is making me try on these pants.
They're lovely.
Yeah, I have to do what my mother says, so, and I'm her daughter. This is the result of going through all the racks. Whoopsies. They're oddly comfortable. So, this is a no. Not sure how I feel about this. I don't hate it, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't have any Band-Aids either because I'm dumb, but I like the shirt, whatever. Hey guys, so I'm back now. We were gone for like 5 hours, which I wasn't expecting to be gone that long. We spent like maybe half an hour at Walmart, got nothing. We went to Wendy's. We spent 2 hours at the mall, got nothing. And then we only had like 20 minutes left for the thrift store, and I got 3 things for $4.80. I am so proud. Oh my god. I had that there for the entire vlog, so I had to cut out parts of my face multiple times. Good job, me. If you ever notice that on someone, please tell them. Thanks. Me. I got 3 things for only $4.80. So proud of my abilities. So now it's time to do a little haul. So I know you saw them before when I was trying them on, but I just want to make sure I get all the prices. Is there a receipt? No. This one was not on sale. This was $2. This sweater that I got was $2. So cute. It honestly, it looks pretty new. And then this one was 25% off and it was $2. So that means it was $175. I don't know. But I'm dumb. I can't math. But it was like this, you saw, so I tried it on. And then I got a Cleveland Metro Park shirt, you know. This was also 25% off and it was $2 originally. So yeah, spent $4.80 something altogether, and I think I did pretty good. So anyways, that concludes the video. I will see you all next time. Like, subscribe, share. I post Monday, Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye.